What if I told you there are free AI tools right now that can save you hours of work every single week? You don't need to pay for them, and they have no complicated setups. Just tools you can start using today. In this video, I'll show you some of the best free AI tools you should be using and how they can make your work faster, easier, and a lot less stressful. And the best part is, you don't need to be an expert. If you can use a phone or a laptop, you can use these tools. Let's start with one you may already know, ChatGPT. This tool can help you write, brainstorm ideas, answer questions, and even create scripts. For example, instead of spending an hour trying to come up with ideas, you can ask ChatGPT and get results in seconds. It's like having a helper that's always ready to assist you. The free version can help you achieve a lot and even create your workflow. But that's just the beginning. Next is Canva AI. If you create content, this tool is extremely useful. You can design Pinterest pins, YouTube videos and thumbnails, social media posts, reels, carousels, and presentations, even if you've never designed anything before. It also has AI features that can generate images and layouts for you. So instead of hiring a designer, you can do it yourself in minutes. Now let's make your work even faster. If you create videos, CapCut is a great free tool. It can automatically add captions, edit and cut clips, and improve your videos. It actually has a free AI video generator whereby you give it prompt of what the video is about, or rather paste your script, and in few minutes you have a ready video with captions. So what used to take hours can now take minutes. This is especially helpful if you're running a YouTube channel. But here's where things start to feel powerful. Notion AI helps you stay organized. You can use it to plan your content, write notes, and manage your ideas. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, everything is in one place. It's like having a smart notebook that helps you think. Now imagine connecting all these tools together. Zapier helps you connect different apps and automate tasks. For example, you can automatically save your ideas, send emails, or organize your work without doing it manually. This takes us back to the last video we talked about AI agents and automation. Please check it out. We'll leave the link in the description. This is where AI becomes more than just a tool. It becomes a system. And this is how people are saving hours every week. Let's say you want to create a YouTube video. You can use ChatGPT to write your script, Canva to create visuals, CapCut to edit your video. Instead of doing everything from scratch, you use tools that make the process faster and easier. That's how you save time. The truth is, most people are still doing everything manually, but the people using these tools are working faster and smarter. You don't need to use all of them at once. Start with one and build from there. If you want more simple videos on AI tools and productivity, subscribe to Empowerment TV. And tell me in the comments, which AI tool are you going to try first? Or which one are you already using?